This tutorial looks further into the use of statistical forecasting and extends on from the Basics of Statistical Forecasting tutorial. We will start by looking at the advanced options we have available on the Graph tab. There are several options that allow you to adjust the forecast produced. For example, Shift Up allows you to move the graph up at the current rate. Slope Up allows you to increase the slope of the graph. Change Ratio allows you to modify the rate at which these changes are made. If you want to review the data, select the Forecasting Editor tab. From here, you can also return to Statistical Forecasting options by selecting Model Properties. A toolbar is also available here, where you can move through the sets of data or pick a specified set by number. The following trend models are useful for various stages of a product's life cycle. The Modified Exponential trend model is appropriate for items approaching barriers to future growth and reaching their maximum potential. This assumes that demand is gradually approaching a saturation level for monthly average demand specified by the user. To create a modified exponential trend, select the details as in previous trend models, adding a saturation point. In this case, 4,000 units. The model produces a curved trend reflecting the later stages of the standard product life cycle. The S-curve trend model is similar to the modified exponential trend, this time showing the whole growth stage of the product life cycle. Again, a saturation level must be chosen. The simple and weighted average no growth trend assumes that the historical trend is flat and will remain so. Let's choose weighted average for this example. Populate the modelling options as previous. Even though there is no growth, a discount factor is still required, as trend values can still be based more on the most recent historical data. You can see how the future trend is based more on this data rather than very historical data. User-specified trend models give you complete control over the creation of your statistical trend graphs. These forecasts are used if you have little or no historical data, yet still wish to make a forecast. Select the trend model required. Select the group factor the forecast will be based on. Insert the start period for the trend, the initial value, and growth parameter to be applied. This will produce a forecast based on the parameters assigned. However, still allowing you to change the forecast using the graph tools. Statistical forecasting can be very useful when predicting future data. This tool is very powerful and can be manipulated to meet any user's needs. Projecting statistical forecasts should be done carefully, and any major changes in trend should be fully understood. For further information, search for Statistical Forecasting in our Help Center.